Okay, so we got a cum clause here for this first part, right? And this is our subject. The cum really should be here, but we said this was dative. Caesar put this here because he wanted to glorify himself, right? Okay, so we got when it, meaning the Helvetians' plans, when it had been announced to Caesar, and then that sets up an indirect statement that they are trying to make a journey through our province. He hastens to set out from the city, and he hastens on journeys into the forest Gaul, or I guess it'd be into farther Gaul, as quickly as he is able, or as great as he is able. It's one of those super superlatives. And he arrives at Geneva. Okay, then your subject of this next sentence is he. Okay, and impero takes the dative. Okay, so you got to look out for all these datives. So he orders the whole province it says, okay, hold on. Okay, it says impero plus the dative and the accusative is to give orders for the accusative from someone in the dative. So he orders from the whole province the greatest number of soldiers. So greatest is accusative, number is accusative, and militum is genitive. So the greatest number of soldiers as possible. Then we got this aside here. There was one legion in all of farther Gaul. Okay, so he orders from the whole province the greatest number of soldiers as possible. For there was one legion in all of farther Gaul. Okay, he orders the bridge which was at Geneva to be cut down. Okay, so yesterday we talked about somebody's coleritas, right? Could you give some examples of how he exhibited coleritas in this passage? Did somebody ask you that on the AP exam? Okay, we got this one. Hold on, let's see. We got this one. You could use that one. You could say this one. Okay, he got there as far as possible, and then today he moved his resources, right? Because this was an emergency, because they didn't have anything in their legion at that point. And then he takes decisive action by ordering the bridge to be cut down. Do you see how you would answer that question?